Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unhide profile from swipe on Yubo. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Swipe Settings option. Now disable Don't Show My Profile option. And this is how you can unhide profile from swipe on Yubo. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.